frost and wind and mud and squalls and cold and storm, and the gloomy thought which torments me of my noble, beautiful lady, have so muddled my heart that I walk straight and suddenly sidle. I am sad and merry 100 times a day. And I do not complain at all about the winter, I rather consider it a feast. See what a painful longing I have, for since she knows that love which kept me young drives us towards excessive love, she'll either agree to have me or let me go. Lady of kind and earnest heart, now the idea has mounted to my head that I should know what your intentions are. Oh, sweet dear kind thing, for God's sake, let not our joy be broken. Just recall the sweet kiss. Now shall I give it up if I describe it more? My eyes turn suddenly up, and my heart, harbinger of this terror, fails me so that people fan my face when I remember, kind lady, what our true joy was like, until the cruel, ruthless slanderers parted us with their false rumors. Who purported what causes this fright of mine? I wouldn't cause him obstacle nor trouble. Slanders, I am not in the least your relative, for I am not of that breed, nor ever I was. Do you see, Jable, love no more is required? Were he in love who purported that, which is the cause of this fright of mine? I wouldn't cause him obstacle nor trouble. For, so help me God, I can't recall my heart admonishes me, a sister, cousin, or relative who, if she wished to love in a proper way, would riff from it and hush because of me. For I would be as good as the Turks around Odessa in matters of love, if I were a burden to them in it. And lady, why do I stray away so much, that I don't see you rests and know the ground, but fear, for this frightens me, that it would harm you, kind lady, but ask me for a clear essay under a secret such that the mouth only